Welcome to AB Cardano. AB Cardano is your guide to professional trading by providing free educational trading materials and strategies. Now, let's jump to the video. How is the arithmetic scale plotted on a chart? The answer is, arithmetic charts have the same distance between prices. Quote number 58. Paul Tudor Jones said, "The secret to being successful from a trading perspective is to have an indefatigable and an undying and unquenchable thirst for information and knowledge. As that old saying goes, knowledge is power, with trading that's undeniably true." Thanks for watching, liking, and sharing this video. Subscribe to our channel and press the bell button to get notifications of what's new on our channel, and follow us on social platforms.